In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and what is a record-triggered orchestration flow in Salesforce. If you've ever wondered how to streamline complex processes within Salesforce, this guide is for you. A record-triggered orchestration flow is designed to automatically react when a record is created, updated, or even deleted. This feature offers a more sophisticated approach than a standard flow, as it allows you to divide automation tasks into various stages and steps, making it ideal for handling complex workflows. First things first, let's log into your Salesforce account. Make sure you have the appropriate permissions to access the admin settings, as it will be crucial for setting up your orchestration flow. Once you're logged in, navigate to the setup by clicking the gear icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to the setup homepage. In the setup area, you'll want to utilize the quick find search bar. Type in flow to quickly jump to the flow options. Click on flow and then proceed to create a new flow. Among the options, select the record triggered orchestration. This is where the magic begins. Now, it's time to define the specifics of your orchestration flow. You will need to select the object that your flow will react to. This could be anything like a case, opportunity, or any other custom object you have in your system. Following this, you'll define the trigger conditions, be it a record creation, an update, or both. Setting this up accurately is vital to ensure that your automation kicks in exactly when you need it. Next, let's delve into structuring the flow. Record-triggered orchestration allows you to break your automation into distinct stages. Picture this. You might have a stage for manager review, followed by another for customer follow-up. This helps in handling the process in manageable chunks and keeps everything organized. Within each stage of your flow, you'll be adding steps. This is where you can specify what happens at each point in the process. Your steps might include running subflows, sending out notifications to relevant team members, or assigning work to specific users. Tailor these steps to fit the exact needs of your workflow for maximal efficiency. Once you've crafted the perfect sequence of stages and steps, the final steps are simple. Save your orchestration flow and then activate it. This is the point where your flow becomes live, ensuring that from now on, whenever the specified events occur, your orchestration flow will automatically take care of the procedures you've set up. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully set up a record-triggered orchestration flow in Salesforce. You can now manage complex automation with clarity and precision, giving your processes a new level of efficiency. If you have further questions or need a deeper dive into each step, feel free to explore more of the resources available. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.